welcome to speak to us, the funniest man on earth, a performer of legendary comic genius, a children's book author of profound depth, an individual of enormous compassion who is doing so much to make our world a better place. The great 𝚂𝚘𝚖𝚎𝚜.
Because life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. How do I know this? I don't. But I'm making sound, and that's the important thing. Making sound. That's what I'm here to do. That's what I'm here to do. Join the game, fight the wars, play with form all you want. But to find real peace, you have to let the armor go. Your need for acceptance can make you invisible in this world. As that shift happens in you, you won't be feeling the world, you'll be felt by it. You'll be embraced by it. Now I'm always at the beginning. I have a reset button, and I ride that button constantly. Once that button is functioning in your life, there's no story that the mind could create that will be as compelling. Making sound. That's what I'm here to do. What I'm here to do. I'm here to do. Making sound. That's what I'm here to do.